So I was just editing in Premiere and I got this error that I actually just managed to fix, which was basically can't render your audio for some reason. And basically all you need to do is you first need to make sure all of your media is actually linked online. And then you actually need to go into the top left hand corner of the screen to make sure we have enough RAM like allocated to our Premiere software. So how to do this is you just go to Premiere, settings, and then you go back down to the option called memory right here. And when we basically click on memory, you can actually see how much RAM is currently installed, like allocated towards Premiere. You can see I have like absolutely my entire computer allocated to Premiere because like I use it so much, which will basically allow it to run a lot more smoother. So if your RAM is something like 31 gigabytes reserved for other applications and like 1 gigabyte reserved for Premiere, I recommend just like pulling this thing down absolutely all the way. You can see I have right here, which will basically allow the audio just to run a lot more smoother on Premiere. And if that doesn't work, I recommend just saving your work and just reopening Premiere, and that should most of the time fix your error of this can't render the audio issue, or at least that's what it fixed for me.